How to use your Mo-Stache Bikini Wax Kit. Step 1. Cleanse and dry the area before waxing. Step 2. Rub the strip between your hands for 20 seconds. Step 3. Pull the strip apart and get ready for the wax of your dreams. Step 4. Place the strip on top side of bikini leg and repeatedly rub in opposite direction of hair growth. Step 5. Holding skin taut, quickly pull the strip in opposite direction of hair growth. Step 6. Place the strip on the top of bikini and repeat steps 4 through 5. Step 7. Repeat steps 4 through 5 on opposite side of the body. Step 8. Apply our post-wax aloe cream to the waxed area. Finally, enjoy Mo-Stache.